Circular fisheye is a magical portal that lets you capture more than your eye can see. Designed to give you a fully circular image on crop sensor cameras, this fun, easy-to-use lens is guaranteed to make you gasp and laugh out loud. Our circular fisheye is a manual focus lens that lets you get intensely close to your subject, nearly touching the lens, while taking in all of your surroundings at the same time. The polished internal lens barrel also lets you create crazy cool flare and compelling reflections around your image. If you haven't already set up your camera to shoot with a Lensbaby lens, you'll want to go back and watch our Introduction to Lensbaby video. All of our lenses are all manual, and the introduction video will get you started right. Focus your circular fisheye by simply rotating the lens barrel. Aperture is also controlled by a dial on the lens. To help you focus, your circular fisheye lens has a distance scale and a hyperfocal scale. This can be particularly useful when focusing on something that's a 1/4 inch away from your lens up to 3 feet, as it can be a bit difficult to tell whether your subject is in focus. The hyperfocal scale gives you a range of what should be in focus. For example, if your aperture is set at f4 and you focus on something about 9 inches in front of you, the hyperfocal scale tells you that anything from 6 inches to 1 foot away will also be in focus. And then, to focus on anything farther away than 3 feet, just rotate to infinity and shoot away. You can also try bracketing your focus. Take a shot where it looks sharp and then rotate the focus ring a tiny bit back and forth and take a few more shots. Chances are at least one of these shots will be in focus. Use live view to confirm your focus. Just zoom into the center of the image, adjust your focus, and shoot. Use circular fisheye to get crazy with perspective on your outdoor or indoor adventures. Create laugh-out-loud animal portraits, capture it all inside a tight space, create crazy magical flair, and more. Change your photography forever and proclaim your unique visual voice with this one-of-a-kind fisheye lens.